Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's step behind the counter and talk my cafe. Lately, I've been hearing buzz from cafe owners everywhere about a new trick going around. The claim is that you can unlock a ton of diamonds in my cafe using just your phone. No computer, no complicated steps, just a simple mobile setup. At first, I wasn't convinced. Diamonds are one of the hardest things to come by in this game, so it sounded a little too sweet to be true. But instead of brushing it off, I decided to try it myself and see what actually happens. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did, step by step, and then show you how everything turned out at the end. Let's see if this little cafe secret really helps level things up. The first thing you'll need is your player ID. You can usually find this in your profile section or somewhere in the settings menu. I found mine pretty fast and copied it so I could use it later. Nothing is confusing here, it's a quick and easy step. Next, I opened my phone's web browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should be fine. Then I searched for the site people are mentioning. They've got all kinds of mods and hack tools for popular mobile games. When the page loaded, there weren't any annoying pop-ups or weird redirects. It actually looked clean and normal, which I wasn't expecting. Next, I selected my platform. I'm playing on Android, but there was also an option for iOS, which was nice to see. After that, I pasted in my player ID and double-checked that everything looked correct. Once I tapped continue, the site started a short loading process with some smooth animations. Nothing lagged or froze, it all worked smoothly. Then it asked how many resources I wanted. For testing purposes, I chose the maximum amount just to see what would happen. After confirming, a few progress bars showed different steps being completed. Everything was clearly explained and easy to follow. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains exactly what to do, so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead to the results. To see if it actually worked, I jumped straight back into my cafe and checked my diamonds. And they were already there. No restarting the app, no waiting for anything to refresh, it updated instantly, like a perfectly brewed coffee served right on time. I honestly didn't expect it to happen that fast, and it completely caught me by surprise. So based on my test, the method worked just like it was described. The steps were simple, the site was mobile-friendly, and everything was easy to follow as long as you take your time. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this yourself, leave a comment and tell me how it went. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.